are on the Playa. This is G Street. This is where we're gonna build camp. And that right there, where the porta potties lying, that's 7 o'clock in G.
First day, it's been like in the high 90s. It's like being in a hairdryer.
Okay, let's try Playa Morada at the beginning of the second day. That is Momo's Corner. That wing over there is what it's called. Our friend Ranger Momo lives in there. He's got himself a really nice setup. Next wing over is Chris and Cedro. That's us. New for this year is that wing in the back. We call it Stragglers Plaza. It's for less established Playa Morada tent campers. Over here you have Pablo's place, and he is tucked in really nice and ready to go. Next wing is the kitchen, and that will all be set up today. Didn't quite finish the pew, one piece of furniture. Living room's pretty much set up. That's the bar there. Kitchen, stove, food prep area. Got lots of dry food storage back here. These are all the coolers set up. The dishwashing station. Prep for the pizza oven. Washing sink, very important. There's a shower thing. Here's Stragglers Plaza, ready for a couple more campers.
Storm. Fuck.
For those that say they want to come to Burningman, this is sometimes what happens. It's fucking awesome, it's cool, but then sometimes you're stuck in a trailer because the alternative is literally you can't see nothing. But the bright side of things is that there's a camp out there that took me in like if I was their own. I swear to you, they don't know me. The guy there was like, do you need help? Can I bring you to my trailer? You can hang in there as long as you want. He brought me in here and I'm chilling.
This is how my little area is after the wind yesterday. Our main camp. The kitchen is back up though. Pablo was able to fix that. Whole back end ripped off. So rebuilding that. But not as bad as some camps.
We got through one dust storm, and now we got another one going on. If it rains, hopefully it'll knock the dust down. It's raining. Time to fix this. Okay, weather.
we've had enough in compensation for the shit you put us through for the last few days. We expect the rest of the week to be fabulous like this is, okay? Slight breeze, no dust, absolutely no moisture, and mild temperatures. We'd like it a little cooler in the evenings.
Side of the city because of the rain last night. It's like a 2 mile wide walk, maybe like a mile. It's not very far.